Hi everybody, Anutosh Bhakto. Today I would like to share with you something very special. Few days back, I met two of my students, very old students. They passed out around 26 years back. So that meeting was very, very nostalgic. We started discussing our old college days. Now, in this meeting, one of them said, "Yes, sir, you used to ask us questions in the recap session. Those who are from IHM Kolkata, they would be knowing what is this recap session." And they said, "Sir, today we want to ask you a few questions. Will you answer?" I said, "Obviously, definitely I'll answer." So they asked me many questions like, "Sir, how you become a teacher? What are the, what do you think, what are the good qualities or could be 10 qualities of a great teacher?" And a very, very common question I've been hearing for last so many years from my students, that's how you keep yourself so young, how you look the same, which we have seen you say 25 years back, you are absolutely same. How it is possible? What is the secret? So like there are so many questions. And at the end of the meeting, they have requested me, just sir, you have impacted many lives. I'm not sure that whether I have impacted or not, but they said so. So they are so modest. So anyway, they said, "Yes, sir, why not you share your life experience with the people?" Because nowadays, the entire world has changed. We have moved to a digital space. So you have a reach to many, many people. So if you share your experience, your life experience, many people might get some help or some inspiration. So they said all good, good things. But that was really my Balban moment. I also thought, yes, I think they are correct. Because in the college, I had access to few students, maybe 300, 400 students. But in the digital world, in the digital platform, there are many, many, many people. I can access to many, many, many people. And if I can share my experience, my thoughts, uh, few people might be interested or might get some benefits out of you. So that is the reason I have decided that I will share my experience through this digital platform. I'm thinking that uh, I will be sharing my experience, my thoughts, okay, my learnings, my recent learning, my past learning. Uh, I will share with everybody. So today, I believe that let me share that they had a question, first question that, sir, tell me your experience that how you become a teacher, why you have taken a decision to switch from operations to teaching. I've never shared this publicly. Let me share this today with you all that how I have become a teacher. It was just a sheer accident in my life. I never thought that I'll become a teacher. It's a way back in the year 84. 84. Okay. I left my job, present job. I came back from Mumbai to Kolkata. The reason was my mother was not well, so I had to look after my mother. So there was no one at house. So I came back to Calcutta, and I was taking care of my mother. And I had no job for 6 months. Okay, I was unemployed. So after 6 months, when my mother was absolutely cured, absolutely fine, then I thought that now I should go back. So in our time, it was not very difficult to get a job. So I was just thinking that I will contact my ex-boss, and I was sure that I'll be getting a job. So one day, what happened? One of my teacher, he was a teacher in IHM Kolkata. His name is Dr. Borun Chakraborty. Uh, he's no more with us. So he used to stay near to our house. It's about 1 kilometer or 1 or 2 kilometers from my house. One day I met him near my house. So he asked me, Anutosh, what you are doing? I said, so no, sir, I'm not doing anything. So this happened. So now I'm thinking that I'll go back and I'll join probably my old job. So he said that there is a very lucrative job. They're going to pay you very well. Uh, will you be ready to do that? I said, what job, sir? So he said, it's a teaching job. There's an institute, Indian Institute of Business Management. So they are looking for a senior lecturer, professor. I immediately said, no, sir, teaching is not my cup of tea. It is not possible for me. He said, no, no, you go now. It's a very, very good institution. They will pay very well. Okay, that time he was a principal. He was not with IHM Kolkata. That time he was a principal in a Foodcraft Institute in Patna. And that institute was also located in Patna. I said, no, sir, it's not possible. I don't think that I'll be able to teach people. It's not my cup of tea. Teacher to teacher hi hota hai. So he said, okay, you do one thing. Come tomorrow to my house. We'll have a cup of coffee together. I said, okay, sir, I'll come. So next day evening I went. So we were having coffee, having a discussion on a various topic. After some times, he again said, Anutosh, I'm telling you, you go and join. It's a very good institute and they will pay very well. So go and join. I don't know, sir, it's not possible for me. Then he said that, okay, will you do me a favor? I said, yes, tell me, sir. Definitely I'll do. Why favor, sir? You just instruct me, I'll do that if it is possible for me. He said that you're not working for last 6 months, I believe. I said, yes, sir, around 6 months. So you think that you're not again working for another 1 month. So I kept quiet. It means you do one thing. You go and join, work there for 1 month, then leave the job and go back wherever you want to go. And then in that case, what will be the benefit? Okay, what is the purpose of this? Because they will also not be benefited, and unnecessarily I'll be doing this 1 month job over there. But no, actually I will be benefited. You will be benefited मतलब? मुझे अरे बोलो मत, वो मेरा पीछे पड़ गया, their directors मेरा पीछे पड़ गया. So to give a good person, but किसी को नहीं मिल रहा है, so you are good in the college. I thought that you will be able to do that. तो ऐसे करो, you just go and join, then leave after 1 month. And so after 1 month again they will tell. मुझे नहीं, if they tell again, then I'll tell, सुनो, I have given you one, you could not keep him, so don't request me again. I cannot give. So somehow I just could not refuse that. I said, okay sir, ठीक है. I thought चलो 1 महीने की तो बात है, चलो join करते हैं. So within 7 days, I joined. Now that was, the new institute. New institute means, so they had three divisions. One is a business management, one is computer science, another was a hotel management. So hotel management was comparatively new, around 1 year old. So as soon as I joined, I was so engrossed. I was so engrossed, and that time, I was not that old, also very young. So I was so engrossed, and I observed that the students started liking me. So I was feeling good. It was a feel good factor. And how the 3 months have passed, I even could not realize. So after 3 months, I thought, "जे अरे ये teaching में तो हमको रहना नहीं है, I'll have to go." So I thought that I'll leave after 1 month. So already 3 months have passed. So क्या करें? So I thought that now I'll give the resignation. Maybe within a day or two, I'll give the resignation and I'll leave. So I was not that matured that time. So I shared this a thought with two of my colleagues that I'm going to leave. I'll give my resignation within a day or two. I never knew. Somehow it has been leaked. The next day, there was a peon. His name was, I think, Ram. So he came and said, "Sir, आपको त्रिवेदी जी बुला रहा है." त्रिवेदी जी was a director administration. कहना ठीक है, बोलो हम आ रहा है. So after 5 minutes, I went to his office. After going to his office, I saw that Mr. UK Singh is also there. Mr. UK Singh was a director studies that time. दोनों ही था. Then I said, "Sir, may I come in, sir?" He said, आइए भक्ता साहब, आइए बैठिए, कैसे हालचाल है, बोलिए कैसे चल रहा है? ठीक चल रहा है सर. Okay. तो then after a discussion, इधर उधर का थोड़ा discussion, then Mr. Trivedi gave me an envelope. I said, "What is this?" बोले, पढ़िए ना, इसके अंदर एक लेटर है, पढ़िए. So I opened the envelope and I saw there is a letter. It's a letter of promotion. So it is said that you have been promoted as a head of the department, and my salary is almost double. I was really shocked. So within 3 months, I have been promoted, and salary is almost double. So I could not refuse the offer. Then started continuing as a head of the department there. And this is how 2 years, 3 years have passed. Then that time also many people said my good wishes. They said, "Beta, ab bhi time hai, छोड़ के चले जाओ, because teaching profession is a very boring profession." Okay, कुछ दिन अच्छा लग रहा है, सब सर कर रहा है, but कुछ दिनों के बाद बोर हो जाओगे, then you repent. So still there is a time you go back to the industry. But somehow नहीं हो पाया. Then I left that institute and I joined IHM Kolkata. Until then, I'm in the teaching. But thank God, believe me, even after so many years, after 35 years, till today, I don't feel, I never felt that it's a boring profession. Rather, each and every moment I enjoyed and still I'm enjoying. The reason is, I believe that maybe I'm teaching the same thing, same concept, same skill set, okay, year after year. But every time I find there are new students sitting in front of me. So it becomes a challenge for me. Okay. And probably that is the reason I don't feel it is boring. It is very, very exciting for me even today. And not only that, this also helped me to learn new and new and new things. And I have become, unconsciously, I have become a lifelong learner. So it's a really pleasure, and I really feel blessed in my life that God has given me the opportunity to come to this teaching profession. And in real sense, it is a very, very noble profession. In the next video, I'll share some of my other experiences with you. If you want to know more exciting experience and value-packed video and articles, join my private group. Link is below. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.